Hey guys, this video is brought to you by Vshow hair. That's the packaging and everything. It comes with the wig, a wig cap, a wig band, lashes, and an instruction palette. It is Brazilian hair, 180 density, loose deep wave in 26 inches, and this is how the hair comes. It's pre-plucked. The knots are super duper thin, and it comes with an adjustable strap in the back. No clips. You just put that baby right back on, and let's see how I apply it.
Fucking night, I keep the guala in my shorty bag. You know she want mine when she tattooed that ass. I'm a lover boy, she love the toys. Keep it coming, you a rider. This that roll myself a J and count my figures shit. This that stepping out, I feel like I'm that nigga shit. I drop 30 on this room, we ain't gon' sleep for shit. If I catch you nodding off, then it's gon' be some shit. Well, you can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. The young stunner, till I die. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. The young stunner, till I die. Fuck it,
Actually, a very quick install. I don't know if you could tell, but I cut the top ones shorter. I mean, the middle ones shorter than the side ones.
These days over my head, niggas be past 10. Living in the middle, just in my driving mind. Feeling pretty mixed up, just like shit ain't all bad. Bloody murder, sticking chances. Just do what you want.
So this is gonna be my first time trying this method. I never used to use this, but I'm going to try it. This and this. So I'm gonna put the glue on my hand, back of my hand, and I'm just going to take it, put it on it just a little bit. Going to take the phone.
Don't open your mouth, you spoke good to me. I ain't built like him, fucking with a G. Just cause I fuck you, that don't mean I trust you, I don't. You got some high hopes, baby. For me crazy, and I'll tell you about me.
I was nothing at all. Took a trip to London just to hear how they talk. Back to 4-0, you should hear how they talk. He might be Mr. Track and Field, but I done ran through them all. Yeah, that nigga played the game, used to watch how we ball. I ain't never home for long, but you pull up when I call. All the hood niggas respect me, strippers wanna sex me. You bluffed on her, now we mad because you let me low. Say fucked up, don't change it. I'd probably be dead if I was basic. Would you still give me head if I had patience? I work when I want, I do what I want. She get what she want, I call her my what she want. Wash it off when you tie me off, you know I be slow. Fuck the world, I'ma walk in direction. Just do it out of thought, we do it reckless. Your nigga call us texting. You said, baby, don't be mad, you know how breath is. Your nigga call us texting. You said, baby, don't be mad, you know how breath is.
Don't come around if you ain't close to me. I ain't built like them. It gotta work for me. Just cause I want you don't mean I want you, I don't. You got some high hopes. High hopes.
World, I'ma walk in direction. Just do it out of thought, we Your nigga colors tasty. Baby, don't be mad, you know I'm right.
See the stars, see the moon. I watch the universe together with you. It's written in the so for a lifetime. It's not enough for me to be with you.